What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cocina. It's your girl DJ Steph Cakes, and today we're cooking a very special dish, my favorite dish by my favorite chef, my girl Flo.
Hi everybody, I'm Flo.
And today we're making a vegetarian pastelon. The ingredients we're gonna need for today are, you're gonna need some plátano maduros, you're gonna need some mozzarella cheese, some provolone cheese, we got some garlic, mushrooms, some parsley, you can use cilantro too. We got some onions, green peppers, red peppers, carrots, celeries. Then we got the salt, the Italian seasoning, we got the cabernet, we got, Flo, you could finish.
This is adobo. You know, this is a Dominican dish, so, well no, this is a Puerto Rican Dominican dish, so it's only right we use sazon, you know. We got a little bit of pepper. I also have here some crushed tomatoes and tomato paste.
Alright, and before anything kicks off, I think it's only right we take a shot of Branson to start it off right, you know what I'm saying?
Here we go.
Alright, and cheers. Ooh, I like that. Alright, so let's get this shit started.
So first you want to get a frying pan and put some canola oil in it. Put the heat on low and just set it there. Let it get heat up on itself. Don't touch it. Leave it alone. And then you also want to get a big olla, pot, saucepan, whatever you guys want to call it. And just put it also on the stove. Don't turn it on yet. So this is my frying pan here. It's about 12 to 13 inches. And then this is my pot, my caldero, saucepan, whatever you want to call it.
And we have it on low?
Yes, it's on low. Make sure it's on low and just leave it alone. You just want to make sure that that stays nice and hot, so when it's time to fry the plantains, you don't have to wait.
Okay,
for
cool.
the oil. Okay.
All right, so what are we doing with this?
So this right here is what I use to make the my base for the sauce. I have mushrooms, garlic, white onions, green and red peppers, carrots, celery, and parsley. If you don't have parsley, you can use cilantro. Either or works. Okay. I use a cup of red wine. I use Garnier. This is a beefless beef. You can use this or Beyond Beef or whatever. I like this one better. I like this. It's cheaper too, so it works.
And for those that use regular beef,
yeah, if you want to use regular beef, this is a vegetarian one. To each his own, but this is what I use for my vegetarian one.
Sauce. Let's go.
I'm lazy, so I like to throw everything in the blender. Some people like to chop it up, that's fine. I'm doing it this way. So I'll put half now. Add about 1 cup, half a cup of my wine.
Ooh.
And then I'm gonna start the blending process. So then you turn on your saucepan where we're gonna make the base. That's about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. What I just mixed in the blender, I'm gonna wait for this to heat up a little bit, or you could throw it in now. I literally throw this all in there. So we're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
You know, stir it up. You know, get your wooden spoon. So next, I have here crushed tomatoes. I'm gonna use about 1 cup. While Stephanie's mixing that in, I'm sorry. About a tablespoon of tomato paste. Just about that much. I'm gonna put the sazon from Goya, whole packet. And about a tablespoon of adobo. A little bit more color, I'm gonna just add the rest of the crushed tomatoes. Italian seasoning.
About how much was that? Like a tablespoon?
It's like about a tablespoon as well. But you want it to look like this. So this is about half a cup of water I'm gonna add to the sauce now. Also, my secret to any tomato-based sauce that I use is add a little bit of brown sugar. So I'm gonna literally
Oof, I like that.
throw a pinch of brown sugar. Go ahead, Stephanie, you can throw one more little pinch of brown sugar. There you go. Add a little bit of black pepper. You could just, you know, this is as you like it. I like peppery stuff, so sometimes I throw in a little extra. And then I also use sea salt.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
About a pinch of sea salt.
Beat that out.
This is when the beefless ground beef comes in handy. You gotta leave this for last, because if not, it overcooks and gets nasty tasting. So yeah, it looks like this. Looks just like ground beef. And then you just throw this in there. Mix that all in. It looks just like ground beef. Yeah, this is the sauce. You let it cook there for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want to give it a taste to make sure it's good on salt. Oh my god. Oh my god. So while Steph is there stirring up the sauce and letting it cook for a few minutes, this is when I start cutting the bananas. You want your bananas to look like this or like this. Very ripe. These aren't as ripe as these, but when you get these, you get the best results. I'm gonna cut off the ends first. When they're ripe enough, I just slit a thing right down the middle and with my hands. There it goes. And I slice it all the way down so it's long.
This part I need for Flo to do.
So each plantain should give you about 4 to 5 of these pieces. Right, and you repeat the process until you don't have any more plantains. So I cut up all my bananas. I ended up using only 8. You can use anywhere from 8 to 10. Your choice, and it feeds about 4 to 5 people. So after they all cut, this is when I come over here. It's already hot, so I can actually just start adding the plantains to it one by one. And be careful when you do this, please. And you know, just leave this here for now. Don't let this cook up. And flip them on each side once the other side's ready. So you actually want them to look nice and golden brown like that. This one wasn't that ripe, so it's not gonna get that color. Okay, so now we're gonna start the layering process. You know, the sauce is done, the cheese is here, the plantains are almost done. Hello. All right, so you need a pan. You can use a pan, you can use a cast iron, whatever you want that goes in the oven, you can use. So I'm using a pan today. Sometimes I use a cast iron. I'm gonna butter it up. And then with the sauce, I'm going to grab about a little bit and just throw it on here again so it doesn't stick. And you're gonna start the layering process. Steph is now adding the mozzarella cheese. Oh no, that's the provolone, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna help her too. And then you repeat the layer process again. Sweet plantain. And then you repeat the layer process again. Sweet plantain. So this is what it's supposed to look like after it's all layered up. You can use the shredded cheese too, that's fine. I just like sliced cheese.
This is faster.
Yeah, this is faster. I'm all about fast. All right, and then you gotta make sure your oven is on 400 and then pop this in there for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 20 minutes now. The pastelon should be ready. It should look nice brown and have a good color to it. See?
I wish I could smell it. Ladies and gentlemen, a meatless Pastelon, a Spanish dish. Shout out to my favorite chef ever, Flo. You know what I'm saying? We're here, Cocina. Thank you, and wait till the next dish.
Bye guys,
now.
thank you.